Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. I am so happy to be back home and to be filming. It has been a bit of time and I'm so excited because I came home to a really fun little package from bkbeauty, and these are her Luxe lipsticks. If you have yet to try them, I would highly recommend them, especially if you are someone like myself who loves a very glossy, hydrating lipstick. These are amazing. And she has launched 6 new shades of the Luxe lipsticks, and I also have all of the original colors. So I thought we might as well just do a lip swatch of all of them, and I'm really excited about these new colors. So I just thought today we'd have a little fun doing a lip swatch using these Luxe lipsticks from bkbeauty. Okay, I'm going to start with her 6 new shades. We're going to start with the shade Beauty. They come in this really nice pink packaging that is magnetic. Really nice case here. And this is the shade Beauty, which is a medium rose pink. And this is the shade Beauty. These lipsticks are super creamy, they're nourishing, they're hydrated. They contain apricot oil, so they really do feel so like nourishing on the lips. They're just super creamy, and the best part is that these are cruelty free and vegan. There's no naughties in here. There's no phthalates, parabens, or sulfites in here, so you can also feel good about wearing these on your lips as well. So let's do a little swatch of Beauty. This is the shade Beauty, a medium rose pink. Next we have Grace, which is a pink muted beige. I think a lot of people are going to like this one. Really pretty pinky beige nude. This one is Grace. This is the shade Grace. Next, we have Empower, and this is a vibrant orange red. This is the shade Vibrant. Next, we have Faith right here, and this one is going to be a deep raspberry color. And this is the shade Faith. Next up we have Gratitude, and that is a medium berry mauve. You guys know I'm gonna love that color. And this is the shade Gratitude. Last but not least, we have the shade Confidence, which is a true classic red. Let me give you a swatch of this right here. This is Confidence. And this is the shade Confidence. And then before we move on to swatching the existing shades, I'm going to go ahead, walk you through these again. Right up here we have Beauty, which is a medium rose pink. Next to that, we have Grace, which is a pink muted beige. We've got Empower, this vibrant orange red. Faith, which is a deep raspberry. Gratitude, which is a medium berry mauve. And then Confidence, which is a true classic red. Such beautiful colors. Of course, my favorites are Gratitude and Grace. Just love those shades. I really like Beauty as well. These are super beautiful and fun as well. Okay, those were the 6 new shades, and then I thought I would go ahead and swatch the original 5 shades because they're amazing and I have them right here. So the first one I'm going to swatch for you is Acceptance, and this is a beautiful beige nude pink. This is one of my favorite shades here. This is the shade Acceptance. I'm actually going to swatch Grace right next to Acceptance just so you can see the difference between these shades. So this is Acceptance and this is Grace. This is the shade Inner Beauty, and then this is the shade Beauty. So as you can see, different color here. Next up, I have Kindness. This is going to be your perfect peachy nude. This is Kindness. Next is Self-Love, which is a pale pink. This is Self-Love. And then last but not least, we have Passion, which is a deep pink. And this is the shade Passion. Quick little puppy break here. Olaf got a haircut. You haven't been, oh, he really likes lipstick. Ah! Say hello. So those are all 11 shades of the Luxe lipsticks. I have to say my favorite of the new colors is Gratitude. That is what I am wearing right now. And then I love Grace, which is that pink muted beige for a kind of nudie lip. Absolutely love that. Honestly, there's so many good colors in here. I don't personally think that the Empower, the vibrant orange red, looked good with my coloring, but I do actually love that color. I think it looks so outstanding on other people. So if you can rock that color, I would definitely pick up the Empower. It's such a punchy, fun summer color, I think. I love that deep berry, the Faith color, as well as Confidence, that true classic red. I think that looks great on everyone. So wanted to pop on, do a fun little lip swatch video. I am so excited to be back home. I'm just getting back into the groove of things, getting back to work, so you will see some new content coming your way, but wanted to share these new lip colors from bkbeauty. I do have a 10% off code, which is Abby Bliss 10, so I will leave that down below in the description box. But really love those new colors, love that formula. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be back with another one soon.